Hi, I am Dr. Siju Jacob and I'm the endodontist in Sky Clinic, Dubai. If you've come to our clinic, you will see this device called the surgical microscope, and all root canal treatments in our clinic are done through the surgical microscope. So why is it that we use a microscope to do root canal treatment? Let me try and show you some everyday examples so that you get a better idea of how useful the microscope is. Now, this is a microscope and I've kept it at the lowest possible mag, which is around 3x. And if I look at my fingers through this lowest magnification, which is 3x, I can see all 5 of my fingers. But if I start increasing the magnification to around 5x, you see that I can't see all 5 of my fingers. It comes down to around 4 fingers. And if I keep increasing the magnification all the way up to 20x, what happens is you can actually visualize a single hair follicle, and it's possible to do surgery on a single hair follicle. Now, what you need to understand is most root canals are actually even smaller than this tiny hair follicle. So if you aren't using a surgical microscope for root canal treatment, chances are you are going to miss a lot of anatomy. And if you miss a lot of anatomy, then you have a higher chances of the root canal failing. So if you have a root canal treatment that is to be done, then it makes sense to do it under the microscope. Because if you can't see it, you just can't treat it. And that's how we do it in Sky Clinic. So if you want to know more about the microscope and you'd like to have a look at this, you're more than welcome to drop in and I'd be happy to show you around. So we look forward to seeing you in Sky Clinic Dubai and explaining these things in detail.